So hello friends, welcome to my channel Jobonimus, and in today's video I am going to be discussing about job opportunity for internet consultant in company Just Dial, where freshers as well as experienced candidates can apply. So in this video we are going to be discussing eligibility, job description and the interview rounds and the questions and answers. So do consider watching this video very carefully till the end, and in case you are new to my channel, consider subscribing it because I make videos on job opportunities and interview preparation. So friends, let's start today's video, but before that just a request to please like this video to support my channel. Now the role is for internet consultant and any graduate is open to apply for this job role. You need to have good communication skills, team working skills, leadership skills and positive attitude. So if you have these kind of skills, then you will be good to go. Regarding the job description, you need to understand that here you will have to, identify business opportunities for Just Dial by identifying individual business owners like entrepreneurs, SMEs, and other companies also. So as you must be knowing, Just Dial provides services to the companies by listing their website on Just Dial and their contact details. So what happens is when customers go to Just Dial to search about a specific product or a service, they can see the company details and order that product from that particular company. So this is how Just Dial helps the other companies. So it is a local search engine. So what you will have to do is you will have to search for these kind of companies who will be interested to list their company on Just Dial, and then there are pricing models of Just Dial, so you can convince those companies to buy the pricing models of Just Dial for these services that Just Dial will be providing to them. Another thing is that you need to develop business relationship with end customers by providing support and solutions, recommending services for benefiting their business. So as I said, you will have to recommend your services or the pricing models of Just Dial to these customers, and you will also have to solve the queries of these customers, whatever queries they have regarding their company listing on Just Dial. Now the interview round one will be an online test most likely. So you need to have some basic general knowledge about the market in general, about the brands in market. So these kind of easy general knowledge and market brands type question are asked. 50 questions are asked. You need to answer them in 20 minutes. So you should have some basic knowledge like you should have knowledge about mobile products, about travel companies. So these kind of things they can ask you. Now round two will be just a minute or a group discussion round. So if they have a lot of candidates, they can conduct a group discussion. Otherwise, they can give you a very easy topic like talk about how you spent yesterday or your college life. These kind of topics they can give you. And round three will be the HR interview round. So regarding the HR or operations interview round, what they can ask you, what do you know about services of Just Dial? So as I said that Just Dial, provides list companies on their website. They can be travel companies, they can be restaurants, they can be movie theaters. So customers go on Just Dial to search for these services and then book for these services by going to Just Dial. So it is this kind of local search engine. Then if you are from a technical background, they can ask you why this role after technical. So for this I have given sample answer many times. I will give link in the description box for that video. You can watch that answer. How to convince the customer to buy the product or services of Just Dial. So here you will have to tell them how will you convince the customers. Then they can ask you sell me this pen or water bottle, whatever is there with them. So you have to convince them that you have these selling skills. And then they can ask you what is the difference between sales and marketing. So because these kind of skills will be required for this role. So sales is Nothing but to push a customer to buy your product or service. Marketing is about pulling the customer by making certain conditions. So it is the main difference. Then which company acquired Just Dial recently? So in September 2021, so 2 months back only, it is acquired by Reliance Retail. So you should also be knowing this. Now, how to apply? So, for this, you have to send your resume to me, jobonimus.com@gmail.com, because I am working as a recruitment consultant with Just Dial, and you can send it to me. Earlier, also, I had floated some position, and some people had sent me their resume, but at that time, Just Dial stopped their hiring, but now they are saying that they have restarted hiring and they are really looking forward to more profiles. So you can send your resume here, and salary they are telling will be between 2 to 3 LPA. It will completely depend on how you give your interview. So 25,000 per month will be the highest salary, and you may also have to go to offices of clients sometimes. So it is this kind of job role. Sometimes you have to sit in Just Dial office, but sometimes you will have to go out also to convince the other companies. And this role will be for Delhi NCR location. So if you can work for from Delhi NCR location, you are in Delhi NCR location, then only send your resume. Otherwise, uh, from other locations, they will not be entertained if they do not want to relocate. And do mention your current salary and your salary expectations. If your salary expectations are more, it will be difficult, because for freshers it can go up to 25,000 only, but if you already have an experience, then they can go higher. So if you already are experienced, then you need to mention your salary expectation also, and your notice period also. So send these details to this email ID, and then I will forward it to company, and let's see how it goes. So friends, I hope this video would have been useful for you. So please do like this video and subscribe to my channel to get more such openings in future, and I'll meet you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.